Hey everyone, and welcome back. Ever wanted to use a specific font in your Canva design but couldn't find it? If you have a custom font file, uploading it to Canva is super easy. I'm going to show you 5 different ways to do it. Now for all these methods, you'll need a Canva Pro account or a Canva for Teams account, as this is a premium feature. The most reliable way is to start right here in your brand kit. Scroll down past the main font options until you see and click Manage Uploaded Fonts. This opens a window showing all your current uploads. Canva will ask you to confirm that you have the rights to use the font. Click Yes, Upload Away. Let's run a test to see if our font was uploaded correctly. Add a text box. Type 130 into the font size input field. Press Enter, likely showing Canva Sans or the current font name. Scroll down within the font list until the Uploaded Fonts section is visible. Click on the name of your newly uploaded font from the Uploaded Fonts. Great! Now you have your first color font in Canva. Let's go back to the Brand Kit home screen. Instead of going into Manage Fonts, you can often see a large Upload a Font button or a big plus icon right at the top of the font section. Click that, choose your font file, hit Open, and then confirm with Yes, Upload Away when the pop-up appears. This is a much faster route. Let's run a test to see if our font was uploaded correctly. Add a text box. Type 130 into the font size input field. Press Enter, likely showing Canva Sans or the current font name. Scroll down within the font list until the Uploaded Fonts section is visible. Click on the name of your newly uploaded font from the Uploaded Fonts. Great! Now you have your second color font in Canva. Now what if you're already in the middle of a design and realize you need that new font? Select your text box and then click on the font drop-down menu in the top toolbar. A menu with fonts will open on the left. Scroll all the way down until you see the little link that says Upload a Font. Click that, select your file, confirm the rights. Yes, upload away. Your new font will now be instantly available right here, under your Uploaded Fonts section. Great! Now you have your third color font in Canva. If you're busy designing and want to add a font without leaving the editor, try this method. First, click on a text box. Select the text, and then click the font drop-down menu in the top bar. When the menu opens on the left, scroll down a little until you see the Brand Kit section. Click Add your brand fonts in Brand Kit. This will instantly redirect you to your Brand Kit settings. Now you're in the Brand Kit. Scroll down a bit and click on Manage Uploaded Fonts. Click the Add New button, select the font file from your computer, and click Open. When the confirmation pop-up appears, click Yes. Upload away. Your font is now added to your brand kit. Great! Now you have your fourth color font in Canva. This is the most direct shortcut from the design editor. Click on any text box in your design. Look along the top toolbar. You should see a button that says Add your brand fonts. Click it. This takes you straight to the Brand Kit Fonts section. Once redirected, scroll down in the Brand Kit and click Manage Uploaded Fonts. Click Add New, choose your font file, and click Open. Finally, click Yes, Upload Away on the pop-up. The font is now active and ready to use. Let's run a test to see if our font was uploaded correctly. Add a text box. Type 130 into the font size input field. Press Enter, or the current font name. Scroll down within the font list /panel until the Uploaded Fonts section is visible. Click on the name of your newly uploaded font from the Uploaded Fonts section. Great! Now you have your fifth color font in Canva. Okay, what if you want to clean house and remove an old font? You need to head back to the Brand Kit, click Add your brand fonts, and then Manage Uploaded Fonts. Here you'll see that full list of everything you've uploaded. Just click the little trash bin icon next to the font you want to remove. Canva will ask you to confirm, and then it's gone. And that's all there is to it. 5 ways to upload a font, and a quick way to delete one when you're done. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.